5 signs that your divine feminine is getting awakened. Since recent past, if you are crying for no reason, your gut has started telling you certain things about different people. You feel like you should rest more, you feel like you should talk less, you feel like you should express less. Don't feel scared. It is just your divine feminine is asking you to come back to its original mode. Your intuition is getting louder every coming day. It is telling you what's happening around, what's happening within, what is going to happen, how people intend to speak, how intent to think about you and other people around. You're crying more easily. Sometimes there is no reason of crying. Sometimes you're just sitting and there is no thought in your mind and you still start crying. Sometimes you are sitting in the front of your deity. There is no reason. You go in trance and you start crying. You're craving solitude. You feel that you should be alone more. You should spend time with yourself. You should care for yourself, your body, your soul. Suddenly you have stopped doing things to let people make you feel worthy. Suddenly you have started taking steps towards your boundaries. Suddenly you have started saying no. Suddenly you have started becoming courageous. You have started setting boundaries. You have started telling people that what you like, what you do not like, what you would like to do for yourself, and what would you do to make yourself feel better. Suddenly you have started acting on it, and suddenly your body has started being more sensitive. You cannot hear loud voices. You start reacting to loud things. Your body starts reacting to loud things. All these things which I have just told you are the signs to tell you that your spiritual growth is happening in certain way, that your body and your energy of divine feminine are getting aligned, because on earth we are here to keep ourselves aligned with the energy that we are born with. And if we are not following that due to certain societal pressure, certain things automatically starts happening around us which pushes us to awaken our divine feminine. So if these things are happening with you, I have brought an EFT practice for you to streamline and align your routine with these changes happening with you. So stay tuned and let us practice EFT together to awaken your divine feminine and align your body with your divine purpose and your spiritual growth. Let's do the EFT practice for awakening of a divine feminine within you. Let's start with round 1. I hope you guys know EFT tapping. I have been making videos since a while on this. EFT tapping is basically tapping on the meridian points, where these are 9 points, and which aligns your purpose, your nervous system to your energies, and it helps you to come back to your originality, where you heal yourself thoroughly. With anything that you want to achieve in your life, you need healing, and EFT helps you to heal yourself and align yourself. So let's start this practice of awakening divine feminine within you with EFT. Repeat after me and follow me for that. Even though I feel overwhelmed by all these changes in me, the crying, the mood swings, the need to withdraw, this resistance to hustle, I deeply, completely love, forgive, and accept myself. Even though part of me is scared, this awakening means something which is wrong, I feel sometimes. With me, I am open to the possibility, and I am simply remembering who I am. I am open to receive what serves my higher purpose. This overwhelming change, this change where I start crying unnecessarily, sometimes it is very overwhelming, it is confusing sometimes. What if this shift happening is for betterment of me? I have never been broken like this. Maybe solitude is what I have been always searching for. I am allowed to redefine my life. Some part of me is settling into this. Some part of me is still confused. I trust what's unfolding within me. I don't have to understand it at the same time. There are some things which are understood over the time, the way we grow within, the way our spirituality evolves. I'm opening to trusting myself completely. I release the fear of this change. I release the fear of this change. I welcome my emotions without shame. I honor all my feelings. I honor all the feelings that come within very naturally. I release the need to prove myself. I release the need of hoping all the time. I myself set my boundaries. I feel safe becoming who I am. I don't doubt myself anymore. I feel calm. I feel that I deserve rest. I feel that my inner voice deserves justice. What is coming within, naturally, I need to give justice to it. I love myself. I love my boundaries. I'm not scared of setting boundaries. I am the winner. Whatever I do is for the best. I am open to receive whatever is being served, which helps to grow as a higher self. I send back all the negativity which is not serving my higher purpose. This is the EFT practice which you guys can do and help your divine feminine awakening with a subtle grace, and you will get clarity every coming day that you are born to enjoy this. Yes, this is the journey. We take our lives too seriously. Enjoy and help yourself to align to the goal, to align to the purpose of your life. I hope this helps. Take care, everyone. God bless you all. Happy healing.